Join our team. Tutorial for faculty members, administrative staff, research staff and interns. Would you like to join the UOC staff or do an internship with us? This video will show you how to apply for a new position. Take note. Registering as a candidate. To apply for vacancies, you need to visit this web page. If you've registered already, enter your login details and click on the arrow to access your profile. If you haven't registered, you will need to do so by clicking on the corresponding link. Provide your login details, some basic personal details, and your contact details. Please note, it is very important that you give a landline or mobile phone number without country code. The number must have 9 digits with no spaces. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email from seleccio@uoc.edu with your password. This will enable you to access your candidate section. Go to the Curriculum Vitae tab and add information about your academic background, including both official qualifications and other types of courses. In the same tab, go to Professional Experience, located in the menu on the right-hand side of the screen, and add your information there. If you're currently employed, tell us what your main activity is and mark the current checkbox. Next, please tell us about any relevant experience you have in the Teaching Experience section. Mark the current checkbox for any current teaching activity. Now go to Details regarding teaching and research and tell us about your most significant publications or research. In the Languages and IT Knowledge section, tell us what languages you know. This section is compulsory. At the very least, you must state your level in Catalan and Spanish. And lastly, it is important that you attach an original curriculum vitae in other details. Note, please make sure you fill in all mandatory fields, those marked with red asterisks. When you have entered all your information, you will be able to access the vacancies. In the top right corner of My CV, you will see the Access Offers box, where you can see and apply to the various vacancies for faculty, administrative staff, research staff and internships. You will see the vacancies that are currently available and you can filter them to match your interests. You will find a description of the position when you access a vacancy. If you're interested in it, click on Application to enter your application. We look forward to receiving your application.